guys, and welcome. I'm AuntDi, and this is my craft room. I guess I'm technically a little bit. Let me back up. Okay, fonts. That's what we're covering today. Fonts. Some of you know, and for those that don't know, you can find fonts anywhere on the internet that you can then get loaded into Design Space so you can use them with your projects. And I'm going to show you how. I'm sorry, I just noticed I should have more light on. But anyways, I'm going to show you how to get these fonts, get them into your computer, and have them so you can use them in Design Space. Very simple, very quick, not going to be a long video. So let's move over to the computer. Oh, but before we do that, I have to remind you, please don't forget to subscribe to my videos and like them. Thanks. Let's get crafting. Places and most well-known places to get your fonts is this place, defont.com. They have literally thousands. They break it all down into themes. You can just get anything that you would like. I'm just checking to see what I might like to pull out that I don't have. So I'm going to go to the newest fonts. And now you just scroll down. You can change how many is on your screen here once it totally loads in. Let me go back. I don't like that font anyways. Because what I want to do is change that. Okay, now I'm going to have 100 on my screen at a time. So all you do is you just go through until you find, and yes, it's a lot of work, but I enjoy doing this myself, until you find a font or a bit, like these pictures, wingdings or wing, I don't know what they're called, that you would like to use. So I'm just going to pick, I think I have Southampton. Oh, this Sea Balance, that's nice. So you go over to the side here where it says donate or download. Right now, this one is telling you how many have downloaded it, how many downloaded it yesterday, and that it is free for personal use. So I want it. So I'm going to download it. You decide where you're going to save it. Just to make it really easy, for me, I'm not going to save it where I normally do. I do have a folder for my fonts. I'm just going to save it on my desktop, just to make it nice and simple. So then you would go over to your desktop. You have to find it. Sorry, I've got a lot on my desktop right this minute. There it is, Sea Balance. You can see it has a zipper. That zipper means it is zipped to make it faster for downloading. So just double click it, open it, however you want to do it. You see now you're broken down in files. You do have your terms of use that you can read. It would let you know the licensing agreement on it. This one will show you the picture of it. It's the top one you want with the little A, the one that says true type font file. So you're gonna open that. And it just comes to the install page. It shows you what it's gonna look like. And you just push install. And it will install it right where you had it. So it's installed it on my desktop. But, oops, I don't need two of them. I already have one Cricut open. If you now open, see, we just have Design Space. You now open your Design Space. I'm going to go to a new project. We don't need to be seeing my notifications. Just going to remember the name of it, and it's Sea Balance. So I'm just going to type in, I don't know, since today's Mother's Day, let's just go Happy Mother's Day. because you have to type something in to bring up your fonts so you can see what fonts you have. So now we're going to go up here to the fonts, and to make sure I don't have to go through all of these because I have so many, I will just type in CB. Oh, I know what the problem is. I already had my design space open, so it's not going to be there. You need to install the font on your computer and then open design space. If you already have design space open, you will not find it. So I'm going to have to open my design space now, which just may take a couple of moments. I ignore that. Go back to my text. Type in whatever it is. So like I said, Happy Mother's Day. And a happy Mother's Day to all the mothers who are watching. Okay, so there's my Happy Mother's Day. I have it clicked, so it's got the blue box around it. I go up to my fonts, click the little arrow to open my font list. Like I said, I have so many fonts, I'm not going to scroll through. I'm just going to type in C Balance, and there it is, right there, C Balance. Click it, and they've changed the font to whatever it was. It's actually a pretty ugly font, sorry. You would then move your letters. This little triangle means it doesn't have that. It does not have that little thingy available with this font. That's all that means. So hopefully this quick video has helped you in learning how to get a font and put it in design space. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting, everybody.